student, today my topic is reactions with metal. Haloalkanes react with several active metals such as Na, Mg, Li, Pb and Na alloy to form different product depending upon the nature of the metal. So reaction with sodium as you know that it just explodes on reacting with water, so it kept in the kerosene oil because of that reaction. So haloalkanes react with sodium in presence of dry ether to form a symmetrical alkanes, that is Woods reaction. Woods told us that when Rx react with Na, it forms alkane. Two molecules of Rx is there in presence of dry ether. This is the reaction with alkyl group. This is the methyl iodide. Methyl iodide when react with two atom of Na, then it forms alkane and NaI. Now reaction with magnesium, that is Grignard reagent. When haloalkane are treated with Mg in dry ether, alkyl magnesium halide are formed. That is, when this is haloalkane react with Mg in presence of dry ether, they form Grignard reagent, that is RMgX is the Grignard reagent. In place of R we take alkyl and in place of X we take halogen. Reaction with other active metal. Haloalkane also react with several other active metals such as LiZn, NaPb alloy to form the organometallic compound. This is the ethyl bromide, and when it react with two atom of lithium in presence of dry ether, it forms lithium ethyl and lithium bromide. So again, when ethyl bromide, 4 molecule of ethyl bromide react in the presence of lead or sodium in presence of dry ether, it forms NaBr tetraethyl lead, that is TEL, TEL and 3Pb. So this tetraethyl lead or TEL is used as anti-knocking agent in the gasoline, which is used as a fuel in automobile engine. Now next is rearrangement reaction. Haloalkane undergo isomerization, the process involving conversion of one isomer into some other isomer through molecular rearrangement. When the heated at 573 Kelvin or at the lower temperature in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it forms this two, such as with example 1-chloropropane reacted with AlCl3 in presence of 573 Kelvin, it forms 2-chloropropane. So 1 become 2. This is the rearrangement. The chlorine just get rearranged in the second position. So this is known as rearrangement reaction, where the functional group rearrange it in different position. So my question is for today, what is reaction, that is reaction with metal and rearrangement reaction? Thank you.